Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel Brown Life. And I know I'm looking so weird. I was actually filming a tutorial for my Instagram and I somehow reminded that so many of you are asking for eyeliner tutorial, so I thought I'll cover this tutorial right here, like right now. So if you want to know one such way that I like to use if I'm in hurry and I want to create that very nice wing eyeliner, then please keep watching. So I have kept my mirror right there, right on my table, and I'm looking like I have tilted my face on left side, if you know what I mean. I'm going to use this NYB eyeliner. This is how the product looks like, and this is a liquid eyeliner, not a gel eyeliner. So I'm going to take this and I will remove all the excess product like that. Now, if you want to apply really nice eyeliner, what you have to do is take your hand right here, close your eyes a little bit and then stretch your eye like that. Okay, so stretch your eye like that, close it a bit and then create a straight line. This is how the line is looking like. Okay, now take a little bit of product again, remove all the excess product, again stretch your eye like that, and इसी line के ऊपर से you have to redraw the line so that it will give that thickness to your eyeliner. So again I'm going to overdraw my eyeliner. See that यहाँ से थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया, so I will clear that using this eyeliner again. I will look down and take my mirror like that, ऐसे, so that you can see everything which is going like right near your inner corner, and then create a perfect line. Basically I'm connecting both the lines together and it should look even, और ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आड़ा टेढ़ा किया है. So this is how my line looks like. Now you just have to create a wing, and that is really easy. That is all up to you, like what you have to do. I'm taking a little bit eyeliner again on my brush, removing all the excess product. Now you just have to create a wing. So I'll create a wing like that. प्ले वेरी सॉफ्टली, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि विंग का डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाए. सो मेक श्योर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ विंग यू वांट. एंड so I have drawn this wing. Now you just have to connect your wing with this line. So again tilt your forehead, look into the mirror and connect. And just fill in all the gaps that you have. And this is how my wing eyeliner looks like. So easy, so simple, and that's it. This is what you have to do whenever you are applying eyeliner. You just have to stretch your eye and create a line, and after that you have to create a wing. And yeah, so this is how both of my eyeliners look like. I know they look like sisters, and this is how you can create your wing eyeliner.
I think I should look here and not here.
Okay, this is how you can create your wing eyeliner. Very easy, very simple, but you really need practice with this because एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता. Even I tried for complete 1 year. After that, I became pro in applying eyeliner. Now, you gave me any situation like in a car or while traveling, I can apply eyeliner very easily. So you have to practice a lot. This is just one of the way in which you can apply eyeliner easily, because whenever you stretch your eyes, you get a straight line, and when you remove your hand from here, and then you can see that there's perfect curved line. So that's what my theory is. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time.